Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6i, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible on the screen, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You get this sound along with this animation right here to show you how we can use it. So we have share, and we have also a scrollable screenshot. That is one of the reasons why I opened up settings, because we can scroll down here. So that will bring me straight to the second function of a screenshot. So do that again. So if you want to capture a longer screenshot, pull it down to scrollable icon, let go, and as you can see, it automatically starts scrolling down. You can tap on the screen to stop it from doing this. And then you can also scroll down yourself more precisely. Once you're however far down you want it to go, click on done. And on the check mark right here, and there we go. You have now captured a longer version of a screenshot. So now you can find all those screenshots that I've captured over time in your gallery application. And there we go. As you can see, we have today a couple ones. Now also, if you go into albums, you should have a screenshot album that will contain exclusively screenshots. So in here, there's the first screenshot, and then there's the long one, as you can see. And that is how you capture a screenshot on this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.